As a leading innovator in the coil packing segment, Lamiflex developed products by learning and understanding customers' requirements and needs on a global scale. Today, we are proud to present Lamiflex MultiWrapper, a machine concept and a future-proof platform with unbeatable economy, flexibility, and quality. MultiWrapper is built on a twin-station solution, where one station can be active with the packaging process, while the other can finish a packed coil, remove it, and prepare for a new process. Built on well-proven automation technology and standardized industrial measures to perform a complex sequence of steps, it can be equipped with a large number of tools and programmed for maximum precision, quality, and speed. Easily updated and adapted to new workflows, tasks, and packaging materials, as our developers are working continuously on innovative upgrades as the industry evolves. With impressive uptime speed, easy installation in existing facilities, and Industry 4.0 compatibility, the MultiWrapper can pack fast and continuously, supporting automatic roll change, which increases both security and productivity. With the Lamifree financing solution, you can get your Lamiflex MultiWrapper without any investments by signing a service contract. Let the packaging material, our tried and tested range of plastic packaging tailored for the steel and aluminum industry, be an important part of the solution. The overall economy of Lamiflex MultiWrapper is unbeatable. Add to that safety, flexibility, low staffing requirements, and high production rate. So it's easy to see that MultiWrapper is the most innovative and profitable choice.